Hey everybody, it's Joanne Burlington here from the Peggy Hill team, and I'm just here at 596 O'Leary Lane. Sorry about that. Get adjusted here. So I'm just on the outside here, and we're going to get started here in just a couple of minutes. Wait for a few of you to pop on here. So again, it's Joanne Burlington. I'm with the Peggy Hill team, and I'm at 596 O'Leary Lane in Victoria Harbour. I love Victoria Harbour. We're literally just a stone throw away from Georgian Bay. You get beautiful views, spectacular sunsets of Georgian Bay here. There's nothing better than a Georgian Bay sunset. All right, let's get started. So this is our newest listing here at 596 O'Leary Lane. So, oops, sorry. Let me get this turned around here. So this is just to give you a glimpse of the outside. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got loads of room for parking. So I would say easily 8 cars in this driveway. Got a nice big double car garage and some great landscaping as we lead up to the front here. So you'll see this nice stonework, covered over porch with pot lighting and double door entry leading into this beauty. So as we come in, we've got a nice split entry with lots of room here. We've got inside entry to the double car garage. It's actually an extended, it's quite tall with lots of room in that garage, and it's fully insulated and boarded. And as we come up the stairs, I just want to showcase this huge room with vaulted ceilings, all upgraded lighting, all maintenance free. You're not going to find any carpet. Again, this just gives you a view out this beautiful big window. So take note of this cozy gas fireplace situated here in the main family area. And one of my favorite features, one of many in this house, look at this beautiful kitchen. Got stone countertops. Again, nice vaulted ceiling, updated lighting, crown molding, stainless steel, and a nice big eat-in area here. I'll give you a little view from this area over here as well, because we've got lots of pot and pan drawers. And again, look at all that pot lighting. I'm going to sneak you outside here. This is actually an incredible yard. So when we go out, you've got nature right at the back door here. So you'll see we've got this glass enclosed porch. And you can see these views of Georgian Bay. And in the evening, this is actually where the sun will set. So you get these incredible sunset views of Georgian Bay. And if you haven't experienced a Georgian Bay sunset, they're one of the most incredible you'll see. And in behind, we're backing onto the river here. So lots of wildlife. They've even had swans floating up this river. So pretty incredible. I'll take you back inside. And again, you'll notice here upgraded lighting on the outside as well. And it's right through the whole entire house. This is just a fabulous room for entertaining. So again, if you're just joining us, it's Joanne Burlington, and I'm at 596 O'Leary Lane, and I'm with the Peggy Hill team. We'll be posting lots of information on the website, or if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. So this is our main bath. Now, as you see, got a nice size vanity and shower, and convenient main floor laundry. We've got 3 bedrooms on the main floor, and they're all fantastic sizes. So bedroom 1, and they all have closets. We've got these nice high 10-foot ceilings as well. And look at the large baseboard trim going around. Again, upgraded lighting throughout. This is our primary suite, so it's a really nice size. It's got a nice size walk-in closet. Lots of room in here. And the primary ensuite as well. So you'll notice a glass shower, nice 3-piece ensuite. Look at those views. Every window you look out, there's nature. It's quite nice. And then we've got our 3rd bedroom on the main floor. Nice and bright, high ceilings, upgraded lighting, double closet, and super clean, guys. This is a just beautifully well maintained, well taken care of home. So we're going to take you downstairs, and this has some pretty spectacular features down here as well. So this home is really situated nicely on the street. It also has room for the growing family. So you'll see we've got the wooden staircase leading down, and everything is complete down here. This is what I'm so excited to show you. So the owners have converted this to their primary suite. So double door entry. And this is easily converted back to rec room space if you wanted it for that, but this is just lovely. So again, we've got the walkout, electric fireplace here, cozy, and this is the best feature, a luxurious built-in closet. Have a look at this. Stone countertops. Isn't this just beautiful? Upgraded lighting. And we have a walkout to the yard, so this will give you a better look of the yard here. Oops, sorry, get that unlocked. And here you'll see the hot tub. Again, in spectacular views of Georgian Bay. Nice, quiet location. Nothing but nature at your back door. Wouldn't it be nice just to come out of your primary suite and jump in? Very inviting. So please feel free to ask any questions. I'm happy to answer any that you might have. And we'll continue on our tour here because there's still more to see. So as we continue down, we've got an additional washroom down here. So 3-piece, nicely done. Double vanity. And another bedroom. You're not going to be lacking in bedrooms here. So this is just a massive room. And both of them down here are all well laid out, nice, great big bedrooms. Again, great big upgraded baseboard trim, nice closets, and look at how bright and beautiful this is. And finally, our last bedroom. Again, we've got double closets. Another sneak out to that backyard. And that cozy little fire pit back there. That backyard. I tell you, to sit out there and watch the sunsets from that hot tub and then enjoy a nice campfire. You couldn't ask for more. Again, another sneak peek. And that concludes our tour here at 596 O'Leary Lane. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or visit our website at peggyhill.com. And thank you for joining me today. Take care.